Buying DPST can be a great opportunity today. It is the 3 times bull of Direxion's bank stocks, and it has fallen today about 15.5% in total, and at this moment it has fallen 12.23%. I bought it here at 7.8, but now it is already at 8.11. This is the 5-minute chart for today, but if you look at the daily chart or weekly chart, then you see how much it has fallen. Let's find that chart for us. This is the daily chart of DPST. If you look back, you can see from October for the last 4 or 5 months, it had been constantly between $20 and $30, even though it had fallen on 16th of December to $20, but it quickly recovered to $25 within a month. But the disaster started on about 8 March when we started getting the news of some weakness in the banking sector, and the Silicon Valley Bank, which has filed for bankruptcy recently as yesterday, this has actually dogged the banking sector, and since DPST reflects 3 times loss or gain of banking sector, it has fallen significantly. Even if you go back more, you can see it has been at this stage only when the COVID started sometime in 2020, 23 March 2020, it was $7.20. And at that time it recovered quickly to $15. That is 100% profit on your investment. Although it came down 1 time, 2 times, 3 times down under say $8, it quickly recovered. And the same can be expected at this moment as well, because although we are talking about recession, the labor market is very strong, so this stock may not fall any more significantly than this. What you can do is take a small position at say $8, $8.50, or even the best is under $8, and then gradually increase your position as it goes downward, if it actually does go downward anymore other than this. Now you will get a better picture of this if you look at the weekly chart. Let me find that chart for you. This is the weekly chart. As you can see on this chart, other than the COVID times in 2020, between March 2000, February 2020 to December 2020, it was under $23.19 up to $686. But after that, even the year of the COVID, before 2021 came, it became actually 400% up. And then during 2021, which has seen a significant increase in Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange, especially in the technology sector, the banking industry went up as well. For example, Bank of America was $13 and it recovered up to say $40, and Wells Fargo came down to say $15 and it went down to $45 and more than that. But if we focus on DPST, we can see that in the last 2 weeks, especially from 5th of March to until today, this ETF has seen an enormous decline in value, which was unprecedented until we look at the decline during the month of March when COVID started in the USA. let's look at the monthly chart now, and let's go there. Say let's look at the 5-year chart, and we or say 10-year chart, and we look at the monthly chart. There you go. You can see the history of the stock from 2016 actually up to September 2015, which is almost 7 years and a half now. And you can see it has enjoyed a healthy run up to 2029, December of 2029. And again, when it started climbing, and from 795 it went to on 1st of October to it went up to $63 in 6 months. Now look at this candle. This candle is a reminder of a repetition of the candle that we have seen in March. But we are not in COVID now. We are in financial turmoil over the Silicon Valley Bank or some small banks, which I believe will disappear within the next couple of weeks or even couple of months. So you may start accumulating this ETF, and even if it goes to say $10, then you will have 25% profit. From $8 to $10 will be 25% profit. And if it goes to say even here 16, say, which will not be a significant rise, and which can rise even within a month or within a week, then you will have 100% profit. So even if you buy 10 of these ETFs, 10 of them, then it will cost you only say $80, but your return will be another $80. But if it goes to where it was say a couple of weeks ago, say $23 or $24, that will be 200% profit, and that can even happen in a month or in 2 weeks as well. Because you see, when it rises, it actually continues rising. It does not stagger. It has long candles here. There is another long candles here, another long candle. You see, when it falls significantly, and that fall is followed by a long candle. Here is a long candle. Here is another long candle, and here is one long candle. Here is one long candle. Here is 2 red candles. But then you see from here, from $34 it rose up to $68. That is 100% profit on your investment. So I believe DPST is in a very good position to give you 100% profit within the next few days.